This is a 1997 Keplinger 14 by 6.5 wood-hooped snare from the Ayotte Drum Company. This thing weighs like 50 pounds because of the extra thick stainless steel shell, and it sounds like a cannon. It came in at a robust $626.50 price tag, which was rather expensive for the day. They say a chain is only as strong as its weakest link, and that link is this plastic snare throw which finally snapped 27 years later. I tried to contact Ayotte about replacing it, but Ayotte is absolutely awful at answering emails. Don't waste your time contacting them through the website. My multiple attempts failed. Such a beautiful snare with a plastic throw handle. Here I always thought it was machined aluminum. So this was the process I went through to replace said handle without the help of Ayotte. First, to find one. After extensive research, I found a 3D printed copy from Chris at Mattoon Quality Instruments out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. It cost like $40. After waiting like 2 weeks to get it, thanks USPS, I was ready to tackle replacement. First was removal of the throw mechanism. I first removed the top head and hoop to access the interior of the shell. Next was to remove the snare strap. After that, I had to access the two 11/32 nuts with nylon washers on the interior of the shell, being sure to secure the 1/4-inch bolts that go through the other side. Then, you simply remove the whole mechanism. Next, I take the mechanism out to the Rattrap Productions workshop to replace the handle. So I take the 7/16 nylon impregnated nut off the brass bolt, remove the plastic end piece and plastic washer. I had to turn the brass bolt using a 1/4-inch wrench. Next, simply remove the old throw handle. See those 3 holes? Make sure the first tooth goes into the top hole, the one closest to the adjuster dial. This way the throw handle is in its highest position. Then, it's just a matter of feeding the brass bolt through. Put in the plastic end piece and washer, tighten the 7/16 nylon impregnated bolt, and check your work, making sure the mechanism travels up and down correctly. Let's go ahead and put the whole mechanism back on the cannon. Feed the 2 1/4-inch bolts through the mechanism and shell. Secure those with the 11/32 nuts and nylon washers. Feed the snare strap through the wood hoop and secure, making sure the snare strands are in the correct head position. Tighten the strap onto the mechanism's tailpiece with the 2 Phillips head screws. And do a final check for appropriate mechanism travel and adjustability. Then replace the top head and hoop. Tighten to your standard and enjoy. Rattrap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff. Today we showed you how to replace the snare throw handle on a Keplinger 14 by 6.5 stainless steel wood hooped snare by Ayotte circa 1997.